Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Welcome our new viewers, and to our returning viewers, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make real Jamaican style rice and peas using a few tips and tricks. If you find this video informative, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Okay, so to make Jamaican style rice and peas, all you need is rice, peas, and the seasoning. So first we start off by soaking our peas. So I soak my peas from overnight. So doing the soaked peas from overnight, it allows the peas to become softer so you don't have to pressure or boil for a long time. Afterwards, I am going to pressure for 10 minutes. To the pot, I'm going to add scallion, thyme, garlic, and the coconut milk. After pressuring, I'm going to add the coconut milk and the peas to the pot and allow it to boil up for a minute or two. Then I'm going to season the pot and add my washed rice. So to the pot, I'm going to add some all-purpose season. I'm also going to add some crushed pimento seeds because I don't like biting on the whole pimento seeds. I'm also going to add some salt to taste. I'm going to add some butter. Also going to add some blended green season, scotch bonnet pepper, and lastly, I'm going to add the washed rice. So some people would normally add the coconut milk at this stage and allow it to boil up for about 5 minutes or so, depending on how they feel or whatever cooking method they would like to use. Some people add the coconut milk here and others will also add it to the pressure cooker. Whichever you feel comfortable doing, it's up to you guys. But this is how I'm doing it today. Some days I had the coconut milk at this stage and other days I add it to the pressure cooker, but it depends on how I'm feeling. All right, so point to note, once you add the rice to the pot, you want to ensure that the coconut milk is about 1 inch above the rice, right? You don't want a lot of water or coconut milk in your pot because you don't want the rice to be too saggy. So ensure it's about anywhere between 1 inch to about 1.5 inch, right? And once the coconut milk reduced in the pot and you can see the rice grains, you want to ensure that you turn the flame to very low, cover your pot, and allow the rice grains to steam because on a high flame cook rice, you have to turn the flame on very low and allow the rice grains to steam properly, right? So this is what I'm talking about, guys. So when you can almost see the rice grains, you're going to turn the flame to very low, cover the pot, and allow the rice grains to steam. Alright guys, so this is how the rice grain is looking. Most, if not all, of the coconut milk has reduced from the rice. So we're just removing the scallion and the thyme. So you see that rice, guys? Very beautiful, right? Nicely colored. I hope this video helped and I hope this video was informative, and I hope after watching this video you'll be able to go into the kitchen and prepare yourself some Jamaican style rice and peas without burning it and getting that perfect rice and peas. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Comment below and let us know if you enjoy this video, and also comment below and let us know your method of making Jamaican style rice and peas. If you had some sugar to your rice and peas, comment below and let us know how you prepare your rice and peas. And also, if you are new and you find this video helpful, Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.